Today's art lesson is going to be shapes. Shapes are part of the elements of art, and we can find them in pretty much three different styles. We'll give them three names. You have geometric shapes, like your squares, circles, rectangles, triangles, ovals, pentagons, a star, heart, all the shapes that you think about that are geometrical. Then we have organic shapes. And organic shapes are things that you find in nature. They're things like the silhouette of a tree, leaves, silhouette of people, maybe even flowers or the shape of a rock. Things that are, well, organic. They're found in nature. Irregular shapes you probably see every day, but didn't know that it was actually classified as a shape. And that is when you spill milk or paint splatters or things that are irregular. They're not identified as geometric. They are not found in nature, such as leaves, but they are really interesting things that you can add to art, like abstract art. Those would be irregular. So you have geometrical, organic, and irregular. If you would like to use our worksheets or printables that we have, just visit our website and you can sign up for our freebie library where we have printables and worksheets and coloring pages and all sorts of art and Bible related resources, and we would just love to have you. Just come on and join us. For today's project on shapes, grab your Sharpie marker or a pencil, it doesn't matter, and just start drawing shapes on a piece of paper. Large shapes, small shapes, no straight lines, no curved lines, shapes like circles, squares, leaves, organic shapes, and even irregular shapes. And then what you're going to do is start filling in and coloring the spaces with more shapes. And just continue to do this across your paper until all the spaces are filled in. You can leave it in its black and white contrasting form, or you can do like we did and add some watercolor or marker, crayon, start coloring in those shapes to pull them out. Have fun! reason this lesson for shape is also one that brings us peace and comfort, especially in times when things are unsure that we are experiencing right now in the world. And it is we're going to focus on the word safety from this verse. And it says, "In peace I will lie down and sleep. For you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety." Psalms 4, verse 8. And it's just a beautiful verse and reminder that when God shapes your life, as He has promised with His salvation, you can lie down and sleep in safety, peace, because only God can bring you true safety.